Welcome to my new course Project Professional 2019. In this course, we will learn how to create a network diagram, cost baselines, schedule baselines, different activities. We will manage resources and everything. Microsoft Project is one of the most popular project scheduling and management programs. Knowing what project can do and how to use its features most effectively helps you deliver better project results. And you can enhance your career opportunities too. Project 2019 is used to organize and keep track of your projects. Profit from flexible features which makes it easy to get started and how to work efficiently and accurately. Create sounds report about project progress and forward project details efficiently to your team and anyone else involved in the project. So let's start project 2019. When you will open this application, you will see this screen. So just click on blank project. When you click on the blank project, you will see this interface where you have timeline, where you have Gantt chart and ribbons. Now in all products of the Microsoft, they use ribbons. Ribbons are very useful tool which customizes when we change the behavior of the application. You can see the ribbon behavior here. It is customized automatically. Then you have backstage view. The backstage view is a place to go to open project file, but it can do a lot more than that, where you have a new tab. You can open any application, or you can download online templates, or built-in templates are already given for your help. You have open menu. You can open your file from OneDrive from the PC, or you can browse your file as well. You have info tab, you have save tab, you have print tab where you can select a printer and you can take a printout of your documents. And then very important tool you have is options. So just click on options button. In this option setting, you have display, journal, schedule, proofing, save and different options. So just click on journal tab. In display tab, you need to select calendar type. Set up currency options for this project, that is project 1. Its symbol, since currency is PKR, so obviously symbol will be rupees. Then under schedule tab, your weeks start on Monday, fiscal year starts in January. You need to set default start time and end time. For instance, my day starts at 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. Hours per day 8, hours per week 40. So you can change the hours as well, and days per month. New task created manually scheduled. So configure is at auto scheduled. Auto scheduled task select scheduled on project start date. So project start date is good. Duration is entered in days, work is entered in hours, and default task type is fixed units. Now come to save. You can select auto save options every 10 minutes and it will obviously prompt before saving to save the document or not. And the default file location is this. So you can change the default location as well. Any location you can set up for your project. You can customize ribbons according to your needs as well. So just after finishing whole configuration work, click on OK button. Now under ribbon tab, come to project ribbon where you need to set up project information like what is the start date of your project. Like my project will start on 11th of May 2020 and current date is 20th April 2020. Click on OK button and then click on change working time. When you will click on change working time, you will see standard calendar, 24 hours calendar, night shift calendar. So click on standard project calendar. आप अपने प्रोजेक्ट सॉफ्टवेयर में अपनी मर्जी का कैलेंडर भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. टू डू दैट यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट न्यू कैलेंडर and enter the proper name, give proper name to it. For instance, my project calendar. Make a copy of standard 24 hours night shift. So standard is fine, its features will be copied here. Click on OK button. Now for calendar I have selected my project calendar. Now you can customize your calendar as well. To do that, you will need to click on the work weeks and then click on detail button. You have Monday to Sunday, all 7 days with default timing. So you can change the timings as well. So click on Monday, click on set days to these specific working time, and then your day starts at 8 o'clock. I'm going to make changes. I'm going to make it 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and then from 3 to 6 p.m. तो आप इस तरह से अपने डेज को खुद सेटअप कर सकते हैं. नाउ अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन डिटेल बटन. ट्यूसडे पे देख लें, आपने ये टाइम अपने अकॉर्डिंगली सेट करना है. वेडनेसडे पे भी इसमें अपने अकॉर्डिंगली सेट करना है. थर्सडे पे भी, फ्राइडे पे भी. नाउ सैटरडे इज़ माई ऑफ डे. यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पे ये ग्रे लाइंस में है. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि ये नॉन वर्किंग डे है. आप इसको वर्किंग डे करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन चेंज पैरामीटर्स ऑफ इट. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन सेट डेज टू दिस स्पेसिफिक वर्किंग टाइम एंड देन add your office time for Saturday, that is for instance 9 a.m. to मैं अपने सैटरडे का टाइम सिर्फ 9 to 2 रखना चाहता हूँ, उसके बाद ऑफ. तो ओके, अब देखें आपने यहाँ पे ग्रे लाइंस फिनिश हो गई हैं और नॉन वर्किंग डेज भी यहाँ पे जो है तो वो यहाँ पे अब नहीं रहे. इट मीन्स कि जो संडे होगा वो सिर्फ हमारा नॉन वर्किंग डे होगा. बाकी जितने वाइड ऑप्शंस आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं वो सारे आपके वर्किंग डेज में आ गया. आप क्लिक करें ओके पे. अब जो प्रोजेक्ट है विल यूज़ दिस कैलेंडर, माई कैलेंडर. नाउ क्लिक ऑन टास्क टैब, come to Gantt chart. This section, it contains calendar, it contains Gantt chart, network diagram, resource sheet, resource usage, resource forms, graphs, tasks, and many related options. You will learn all these options in detail in this course. Moreover, in ribbon tab, in task tab, it has clipboard, it has font, schedule. You can add 2 activities, you can link them. You have different tasks, you have summary tasks, milestones tasks, and recurring tasks and other related information you can set up. For example, click on information button. You can add your activity, you can assign its predecessors, its successors, and in detail section you can assign different resources and predecessor. Along with the, you can set baseline and actual dates as well. So we will learn all these things in detail. In this course, I will try to explain each and everything in detail. But don't consider that if you will learn this software, you will become a project manager. Project management is a profession that is going rapidly. So to become a good project manager, you need to study 49 processes of project management along with 10 knowledge areas comprising in 5 process groups. So what is this software? This software is just a tool which facilitates our project management work. It doesn't mean by learning this software you will become a project manager. For instance, this software cannot create our project charter for you. Neither this software can gather requirements from the stakeholders. Neither can it resolve the conflicts among team members. Therefore, we will learn this software, but don't make yourself in wrong way कि आपको ये लगे कि प्रोजेक्ट सॉफ्टवेयर जब हम सीखते हैं तो हम प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर बन जाते हैं। प्रोजेक्ट सॉफ्टवेयर जब आप यूज़ करेंगे तो आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक टूल को सीख रहे हैं जिसके ज़रिए आप अपने काम को इफ़ेक्टिवली एंड एफिशिएंटली परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं। लाइक डिफरेंट रिपोर्ट्स आप वेरी कम्प्रीहेंसिवली आप डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं। नेटवर्क डायग्राम आपकी इंस्टेंटली क्रिएट हो जाती है। यू डोंट नीड टू फाइंड अर्ली स्टार्ट, अर्ली फिनिश, लेट स्टार्ट एंड लेट फिनिश डेट्स. You don't need to find floats for your activities manually. You will just click on you will just click on any column. Like here I am going to select total slack. तो ये मेरे लिए जितनी एक्टिविटीज़ आएंगी उसका ये जो है तो फ्लोट फाइंड इजीली कर लेगा। तो सारी डिटेल्स इस सॉफ्टवेयर में मैं आपको इन डिटेल एक एक ऑप्शन को एक्सप्लेन करूँगा और आप पूरी कोशिश करूँगा कि ये कोर्स आपको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मैं समझा सकूँ। डेली मैं इसका एक लेक्चर अपलोड करूँगा और आपने डेली बेसिस पे इस लेक्चर को देखना है और उसके बाद आपने तकरीबन 1 आवर डेली स्पेंड करना है। इसको प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है क्योंकि ये जो कंप्यूटर के सॉफ्टवेयर्स होते हैं इसको प्रैक्टिस किए बगैर आप नहीं सीख सकते। तो आपको इसको डिटेल प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा। थैंक यू सो मच।